going to start prepping my face for foundation with the face primer by Too Faced. With a beauty blender, I'm going to apply foundation using Revlon Color Stay in the color Sand Beige. Next, I'm going to apply concealer by Tarte under my eyes, on my chin, and on my forehead, and blending it. I'm going to contour my face and my nose using the darkest shade in the contour palette by Smashbox. Then I'm going to set my foundation with a translucent setting powder by Laura Mercier. Moving on to the eyes, I'm going to use the Just Peachy palette by Too Faced in the color Peach Tea all over my lids. Next, I'm going to take the color Peach Cobbler and putting it on my eyelids and right above the crease. Then I'm going to use Peach Tart and putting it under my crease line. I'm using Peach Tea again to blend the colors together. Next, with the color Chocolate Dipped, I'm putting it on the corner of my eyes and blending it towards the center. Using a blending brush, blend everything together. I'm also putting the same color Chocolate Dipped on the bottom lash line. Next, I'm going to draw a thin cat eye using Kat Von D tattoo liner in the color Trooper Black. Apply mascara to the bottom lashes. Finally, apply your favorite lashes of your choice. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you guys enjoyed this K-pop idol inspired makeup tutorial.